If Telegram is lagging on your PC, freezing up, taking too long to load chats, or just feeling slow in general, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can help speed up Telegram desktop and make it run much smoother. We'll clear the app cache, turn off hardware acceleration, and adjust the auto-download settings so Telegram isn't using more resources than it needs to. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. Once it loads, look to the top left and click the menu. Then go into Settings. From there, scroll down and open Advanced. In the Advanced section, find Local Storage. This is where Telegram stores temporary files, cached media, and other data that can build up over time. If Telegram has been installed for a while, this cache can sometimes become too large and slow everything down. Click Clear All to remove those temporary files. Don't worry, this will not delete your Telegram account or your chats from the cloud. It simply clears stored app data that can help improve performance. After clearing the cache, give Telegram a moment to rebuild the local files it actually needs, and you may already notice things loading a lot faster. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is turning off hardware acceleration. Sometimes, Telegram's rendering engine can conflict with your graphics drivers or system configuration, especially on older PCs or devices with driver issues. To do this, stay in Settings and go back to Advanced if you're not already there. Scroll down until you find Hardware Accelerated Video Decoding. If this setting is turned on, toggle it off. This can reduce lag, stuttering, and visual slowdowns on some systems because Telegram will rely less on the GPU for decoding media. If your PC was struggling with rendering problems, this small change can make a big difference right away. Once you switch it off, restart Telegram so the new setting fully applies. Now for the third fix. Let's adjust the auto-download settings. Telegram can automatically download images, videos, and files, and while that is convenient, it can also consume memory, bandwidth, and system resources in the background. If your PC is lagging, this is another setting worth checking. Go back into Settings, then Advanced, and open Automatic Media Download. Here, you'll see options for Wi-Fi and mobile connections. If you don't want Telegram downloading too much media automatically, disable auto-downloads for those connection types, or reduce the download settings so only the content you really need gets saved. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of active chats, busy groups, or channels that send media constantly. By limiting automatic downloads, Telegram won't need to work as hard in the background, which can help improve responsiveness and reduce lag. After making these changes, close Telegram completely and reopen it so everything refreshes properly. In many cases, that's enough to make the app feel much smoother and more stable. If Telegram is still lagging, it may also help to update the app, restart your PC, or check whether your graphics drivers are up to date. But for most users, these 3 steps are the fastest way to clean up performance issues. So to recap, clear the local storage cache, disable hardware accelerated video decoding, and adjust automatic media downloads. These are simple fixes, but they can make a big difference when Telegram desktop starts feeling slow. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy PC fixes and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.